Hi guys, Elistria here. So I'm coming in tonight because I picked up these cauliflower from one of my local ethnic stores. It was a really good price. They were only $1.50 each, which is excellent for cauliflower. Okay. So what I want to show you tonight is with very simple tools, you can make your own cauliflower rice. If you go to the grocery store and try to buy it, it's like $3.50. Well, in my area, I live in Tampa, Florida. It's about $3.50 for maybe 6 to 10 ounces, maybe. And it's frozen. I used to be able to find it fresh, but I can't find it fresh anymore. But I want to show you how you can make your own cauliflower rice. You don't have to have a food processor. All you need is a bowl or a container to put it in and um a shredder. So I am going to slice these cauliflower into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to show you with the large part of the grate that I got from Dollar Tree. Hello. How you can make your own cauliflower rice. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back now. So I cut up one of the cauliflower and you can see I've been very busy. And I saved one piece because, well, it's going to be kind of difficult. I don't have a tripod yet, but you just want to go, they're flying. Just go down like this. You want to be careful. This part isn't something that you would really want your kids to help you with, but you just do this number. Once you get down to the stem is very fibrous. You can still save it if you want to cut those off and put them in the freezer and use them to make stock. But you really just want the flower part of the cauliflower, the crumbly part. As your rice. And then if you look here in the bottom, you can see I have quite a bit. Now there are some parts that are bigger than others, some parts that are smaller. It's okay. The ones that you buy in the store are a little bit more uniform because of course they're made with machinery, but you get the gist. It's something that you can do at home. You don't need, it does take some effort, but the effort saves you a lot of money. And actually, I think I was a little bit generous when I gave the amounts. It's about $3.50 or more for about, I think I said 6 to 10 ounces, but I think it's more like 3 to 6 ounces depending on who you buy. When I do buy it, I like to buy the bird's eye because bird's eye, that's just me. You buy what you want, but I prefer bird's eye because most of their products are not pre-seasoned. I prefer to season my own food, and some, certain brands, they like to do a lot of pre-seasoning, and I prefer to do that myself. But here it is. You see that you can make your own cauliflower rice at home. You want to wash them, of course. You can put them in a skillet and do fried rice. You can do like however you would use rice, you can use this. It doesn't take as long to cook, of course, because it's a vegetable and not a grain. However, you get the look. A lot of what we find our, satisfaction, so to speak, in when we do our creations is what it looks like. We eat a lot with our eyes. And so, creating meals that look like what you desire is really, one of the keys to fighting cravings and also to not getting bored with your construct. So this is a tool. Use what you have. And you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.